By now, 4:30, the crowd was running on fumes. People had been standing for 4+ hours. No seating, which, fair enough, 5,000 people, you can't really do that. But people had found their own solutions. Groups sitting on the floor wherever there was space, food in hand, shoes on their laps, just holding on. The anticipation was real, but so was the fatigue. Then, the music shifted. The energy on stage changed. People jumped up, rushed to the floor thinking this is finally it, only to find another DJ spin doctor. And look, he was genuinely good. The set was solid. But at this point, the crowd had one thing on their mind, and it wasn't a DJ. We stood there at the stage anyway, soaking it in. 5:30 now. Then the anchor got on stage. Count with me. 15, 14. The lights dropped. The crowd lost it. This is it. And then dance performances. Well-known groups. Clearly, well-rehearsed, visually impressive. They went for 10, 15 minutes, and they were genuinely good. But when you've waited since noon for one person, your ability to appreciate anything else is limited. A 1/8 brand film played on the screens, short, punchy, did its job. The anchor came back, just a little more. The moment is almost here. But unfortunately, not yet. Just 5 to 10 minutes of anchoring, followed by a 1/8 promo on the big screen. The moment Virat appeared, even on the screen, the crowd went crazy. Meanwhile, I was already imagining the atmosphere would when he finally walks into the arena. The excitement was unreal. And then another performance. The crowd was patient. Barely, but patient. Then the runway. Fashion icons walking the stage wearing 1/8. And then Prasid Krishna, Devdut Padikal, and a track athlete too if you know your faces. Cricketers on a runway owning it. The crossover felt natural, which probably says something about where 1/8 is positioning itself. And then the screen lit up. Virat's story, his journey. And the moment they showed him in the white test jersey, that iconic India white, something shifted in the air. Everyone around me went quiet for a second, just absorbing it. The adrenaline was real. The video cut. And he rose from beneath the stage. The sound that went through that arena, I don't think I can describe it properly. 6.5 hours of waiting, compressed into one moment. He walked the runway and the crowd just gave everything they had. stood with the models for the group photographs, took it all in.
Delhi, this is the city where it all started for you. Life, cricket.
Then the mic, just him and the fans. The loudest crowd became the quietest, just to hear his first words, and he opens up with,
Delhi, what's up?
and before he could speak further,
First of all,
he talked for 5 minutes about what 1/8 means to him, about how he never imagined the brand would have a global premiere of this scale in Delhi, the city he grew up in.
patiently you have waited. How excited you've
It
been.
wasn't a rehearsed speech. It felt like a genuine moment of someone looking around and not quite believing where they are.
I am to come back to Delhi. Day out to make this dream into a reality, and talking about a very important teammate. I would like now to call on stage. I'd be standing here at this stage of my life